What's going on, guys? Cruising Koozie here. I actually forgot to film like coming here and like getting ready or whatever, but I drove about an hour and a half up to Prescott. It's pretty fucking nice out here. I've never been to Prescott. I've been to like everywhere else around it, but I just picked up a drag pack. They are the fronts are called like SSR spikes, and I forget what the rear is, but I do know that it's also SSR. I'll have to double check what the rear is. I just know the whole thing's SSR. The guy I bought them from, he actually had a big turbo 2012 gtCalifornia special, just like I do, but his was a silver. It was pretty badass. I mean, he doesn't have it anymore, but like the photos he sent me and the photos I saw on his page are pretty fucking sick. I don't know, so I probably won't film the wheels till I get home and I clean them up because they are a little dirty, but I think I'm gonna cruise around here for a little bit, take some pictures, and drive back before it gets too dark. Looks crazy out here. There's like a bunch of cows and shit roaming in the background behind me. I was gonna go down here a little bit because I saw like a cool, I got rust on me from the wheels. There was like a cool spot on maps down there, but the road actually turns to dirt right there, so I don't really want to do that. So I'm just gonna cruise around, try to find somewhere nice. I might even get a couple of Instagram reels while I'm parked right here for a second. I don't know where the fuck that came from, but I just heard an eagle screech, and that makes this 10 times more badass. I'm gonna have to go back into the fucking video and find that now. That was dope as hell. That's pretty sick out here. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm actually back in Surprise. I got work tomorrow, and I have to order the tires for the rear. The fronts are something I could just go and fucking get. I might even be able, nah, my fronts are too big for those wheels, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go find something, because it's a 17x7 front and 15x8 rear, I believe. But he did tell me the tire size he ran, so I'm gonna stick to that. I'm gonna put a 275 60 15 in the rear and a 225 55 17 in the front, and he said it's good enough to, you know, street drive and take it to the track, and I was like, that's perfect for me. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. All right, so I'm trying this like gimbal thing out to record my vlog. I guess not vlog, but like, you know what I mean, like when the camera's facing me, because I'm trying to do it on the back facing camera now. Makes it a little bit easier to hold, and I have the button to just press to start and stop recording, so a little bit easier on the editing side for me. But I totally forgot to film when I got home to show off the wheels, even though I made a bunch of Instagram edits. So like, those of you on my Instagram have already seen this shit. Those of you that are only on my YouTube, you haven't seen this yet. This thing stays pretty steady too. It's pretty good. I think I've talked about this gimbal before on YouTube. If I haven't, it's pretty badass. It's a DJI Osmo like 4 or some shit like that. I've been using it to record my Instagram reels. I'm like walking around hella with it, but yeah, I'm gonna have this like little edit that I tried to record. It's gonna be short, but it's just to help show off the wheels a little bit. But I bought the drag pack. I was gonna show them off before I got tires for it, but I ended up putting the tires on anyways because kind of got impatient. The front is a 235/55/17. It's on a 17x7 in the front, so not too skinny, so I can still daily this setup. And then this is a 275/60/15. Should be somewhere on there. And these are the backs are Nitto 555 R2s. I believe that's how you say it. And then the front's just like a Lionhart LH with like a bunch of fucking numbers. I don't know, they were some like cheap track tires that I bought, because the fronts don't matter. As long as they last long to me, I'm good. Because I mean, I'm gonna fucking be dailying this setup. I did notice I need a little bit more tire pressure in the front. And I mean, if I do end up racing, I'll obviously drop tire pressures in the rear for that, but I'm not racing anytime soon. And so far they've hooked up pretty good. I've only broke traction a tiny bit from second gear, Like once I shifted the second, it just chirped the tire real quick. But that's immensely better than what it used to do. It doesn't break up in first, but it breaks up in second. It's kind of weird. I don't know. So my phone ended up overheating while I was filming that. But what I was saying is that this is gonna be a pretty short video just because I didn't really film a lot beforehand, and I don't really have much to talk about. I kind of already said what I needed to say. Just give like a basic little review. I love the way it looks, and I love the way it rides. Actually, it's very, very smooth. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty short video. I don't know if I've already said this or not, but I'm gonna throw a quick little edit in to show it off a little bit, and that'll really be it. I don't know. So thanks for watching. Peace out.